Now, let us understand the syntax. Reduce function is available in functools module. So we have to import that module and we can use in this way. So reduce function takes two parameters, one function name and second is sequence. Okay, so let us start with an example. So let us take a list L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 67, 78. Now I want to get the max item in this list using reduce function. Now I will write max function max x comma y if x greater than y, then button else. So this is max function. So to use reduce function, we have to import function tools module. So we imported this and let us use reduce function f dot reduce. In reduce, we have to give the function name. The function name is max, comma, sequence. The sequence is list L. Okay. Now let us see the output. Got it? So 78 is the maximum. So I will explain once again. First, you have to import function tools, that is func tools, and named it as f, that is alias name. So this is the standard. Okay, you to use reduce function, you have to import function tools. So I named it as f. So f dot reduce. Name of the function is max and apply the sequence. The sequence is, it can be range, list, or it can be any sequence. Okay. So in this way, reduce function is used. And one more example to get the sum of the items. Okay. So I will use same list. So I want to get the sum of the items in this list. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on until 78. So I will write function add x comma y and return x plus y. Now I will use reduce method. So reduce, reduce. First you have to pass the function name, that is add, then the sequence. The sequence is L. So this is the sum. So it will work in this way. First of all, add will take first two items in this list. That is add of 1, comma 2. The result will be 3. Now 3, comma 3, that is 6. Now 6, comma 4, that is 10. Now 10, comma 5, that is 15. And 15, comma 67. 15, comma 67. That is 67 plus 10, 77 plus 5, 82. Now 82, comma 78. 82, comma 78. That is 160. That is our output. So in this way, reduce function works. Reduce function will return a single value, okay, by taking first two items as its input, and it will continue in this way. Okay, so this is all about reduce function.